Apple is moving on from its attempt to bring iMessage to Android users due to Apple closing all the possible loopholes, but that doesn't mean the story is about to end there. After a blog post from the company CEO saying he wants Beeper to be the best chatbot ever, with or without iMessage support for Android, the New York Times reported that the Department of Justice and FTC, that is the Federal Trade Commission, wants to understand this Apple versus Beeper controversy. The publication says this duel has raised questions in Washington about whether Apple has used its market dominance over iMessage to block competition and force users to spend more on iPhone than lower price alternative. People familiar with the matter told Justice Department antitrust lawyer met with Eric, the co-founder of Beeper, and said about a possible anti-competitive behavior by Apple. At the same time, FTC posted on its blog that it will scrutinize dominant players that use privacy and security as a justification to disallow such services to talk to each other. But the fight is more to do with Americans being used to texting through the iMessage app rather than WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other alternative. The government is worried about this anti-competitive behavior from Apple, as it has been questioning the company about the App Store, Apple Play monopoly, and so on. iPhone accounts for more than 50% of US phones, so it could be one of the at least 10 reasons why customers choose an iPhone over an Android phone. So the Department of Justice and FTC has taken matters into their own hands, and they're looking into this matter.